Hey guys, so I thought I would make this quick video because I noticed that my hummingbird feeder is empty. I saw that it was low yesterday, but today it is empty. So we are going to make some nectar. All right, so what I have here is a 1/4 cup of white sugar. It has to be white sugar because it's the only sugar that they can digest. So a 1/4 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of warm water, just so that the sugar will dissolve. And I'm going to put this in here. And then I'm going to add the water. Now you see this only makes 8 ounces. So what I'll probably end up doing is doubling that. But that is the ratio. 1/4 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. And that is it. My bird feeder already has red on it, so I don't have to add any dye. But of course, you know, you can add dye if you like. They are attracted to red. But as long, like I said, as long as the bird feeder has red on it, they should be fine. And that's it. Now we have some hummingbird nectar. Thanks for watching.